Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your eyebrows to go from this to this using Got2b gel and the Anastasia 7B dual-ended eyebrow brush. I have a few eyebrow products that I love and switch between, but I always end up coming back to the Got2b gel, especially in the summer or hot weather since it keeps my brows locked into place all day. And when I say locked in, I mean they aren't going anywhere, girl. And I'll be real, I always make eyebrow contact before making eye contact, so before I begin this tutorial, I have to remind you guys and myself that eyebrows are sisters and not twins. With that being said, let's start by grabbing a generous amount on your brush and coat all your hairs in every direction, and then start brushing them upwards. I love this brush because it really gets all the hairs and gives that fluffy, natural look. When I'm doing my eyebrows, I like to keep a mini fan next to me so I can dry them as soon as I get to the shape that I want, and then let them sit for at least 5 minutes before filling them in. I do this because I noticed if you fill them in too soon, then the gel just won't dry exactly in the shape that you want, and then you'll have to go over it again and again and again, and it'll just be a mess with the flakiness and white stuff everywhere. I know we've all been there before. I'm a perfectionist, so I take my time with my eyebrows and really make sure they look about the same before I dry them with my little mini fan. A little side-by-side comparison so you can see the difference. And we're gonna repeat the same thing with the other eyebrow. I always do my eyebrows first in my makeup routine because my hands definitely do shake a lot. So if you're like me, then I highly recommend switching to doing your eyebrows first because it is a game changer and you can be as messy as you need, touch your face as many times as you need, and don't have to worry about getting foundation or any concealer on your hands when you're doing it. I like to use my finger or the edge of something flat to hold the hairs down while they're drying as well. Now that my eyebrows are fully dry and locked in, I'm taking the Eye Method brow pen and starting to draw small hair strokes in the areas that are empty or have gaps. By the way guys, I'll link all the products that I use down below in the description box. You really have to play around with this product the first few times to get used to it, but it's truly amazing and it gives you real hair-like strokes. You really want to keep a light hand when doing this because you can mess up very easily, but practice makes perfect. Guys, look at the difference already. Like what? And she's not going anywhere. Another side-by-side comparison. Okay, let's do the other eyebrow the exact same way. Is it just me, or does watching people do their eyebrows feel so satisfying? Like, what's the science behind that? I don't know what it is, but I could watch people do eyebrows all day long. And here's the final result. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below and let me know what tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.